everybody say,
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What's popping? So today I have this look for you guys. Actually, let's first start by admiring my model's skin. Yes, girl. So today this whole makeup look, it was inspired by the Asooke. I'll leave all the vendors and everything below. I didn't tie the gele myself. Girl. Shasha, all the vendors will be below. You guys already know my routine. I say this every time. Brows, eyes. I wanted the eyes really dramatic, so that's why I didn't do skin first. And I was going to use pigments, and you know, pigments and skin first, they don't really go hand in hand. So don't set yourself up, girl. Better to do eyes first. So for the eyes, I went in with the transition. Like I built it. English is hard. I built it very well. I went in with several layers of color and I deepened it with this like dark blue black-ish color. So yeah, and then I went in with the lid color. I went in with like an halo effect. So dark on the outside, light in the center. You guys get the drift. Let me stop talking so you can see. So the key to getting that perfect halo eyes is to make sure that the color at the center is blended. Girl, you need to blend those lines to oblivion. Tap, tap, pat, pat, swipe, swipe, whatever you have to do, but make sure it's blended. Yeah. You see? It just gives the illusion of what I don't know. So I went in with pigments to like intensify it. When you guys see from the intro, the Asooke had this duochrome petals attached to it. Shout out to Godiva for this Asooke. So yeah, I really wanted to have that duochrome look. It's not purple, it's not green, it's not aqua. It's just, you know, mono. If you don't know what mono means, it means thunder, busy lightning. Yeah. So moving on to foundation. I didn't color correct because the foundation was full coverage. I really can't remember the foundation I used, to be honest. It's most probably going to be Gele or something. I don't know. So yeah, that's that. By the way, I made sure not to fast forward anything in this video. Like you know, usually I fast forward all my processes, but I tried my best not to fast forward in this video because I wanted you guys to soak it in and see it real time. So if you guys prefer this whole like non fast forwarded routine, let me know. The videos, I tried to make sure that it was shortened and it's not stupidly long, but then if you like it or if you don't mind being fast forwarded, since I do the same thing anyway, but then if you like this non-fast forwarded, please drop a comment, let me know, because it will really help my editing. Thank you. Kisses.
What woman can do, Jehovah? Only you can do. What woman can do, Jehovah? Only you can do. What woman can do, Jehovah? Only you can do. What woman can do, Jehovah? Only you can say. What woman can say, Jehovah? Only you can say. What woman can say, Jehovah? Only you can say. What woman can say, Jehovah? Only you can say. What woman can say, Jehovah? Only you can change. What woman can change, Jehovah?
So to take the look even madder, I went in with this really bright waterline pencil just to make her look very doll like, and then I went below our waterline with a black pencil, so it looks like that. Yeah, you see, it's just beautiful. Moving on to the lips, I feel like the lips is like my favorite part of this whole look. Why? Because my model has the perfect features for this. Her lips are just perfect. I had enough space to play with colors, so I mixed like 4 colors. I don't think I remember them. I think I can try, but then I'm not sure. But then I mixed like 4 colors. You see the colors at the back of my hand, so you can get a feel of the colors I used. But then I went from like red to orange to peach, and I think like white. I think so, yeah. So yeah, I killed it, you know. Yeah, you see the colors? Yeah, that's the colors I used. Yeah, those are the colors I used, guys, before I bang out. This is when you feel yourself and you're just like, yes. Guys, this is the final look. Trust me, this outro is a bit intense. My model went in. She's a bloody dancer, as you can see. And the Asooke, the beads, the Gele Tying, everything is going to be in the description box. Shout out to you guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and all the good jazz. And drop your comments. What do you think about this look? I love it. Like, it's one of my favorite looks I've created this year. So yeah, shout out to you guys. Love you. Catch you next time. Kisses. Peace out.
Oh, yeah. Atọ́bájà yẹsẹ́ ẹkùn ọkọ̀ fàárà o. Mo ní kábíyọ̀sí ó yá. Mo ní kábíyọ̀sí bàbá. Mo ní kábíyọ̀sí bàbá. Ó yá kábíyọ̀sí. Ọba mímọ́.